Are you a coffee drinker? If you are going to love the sweet cream foam recipe. It is so easy and all you need are 3 ingredients. You'll need vanilla syrup, milk. I'm using whole milk, but you can use whatever you have. And the most important ingredient, heavy whipping cream. Oh, and another thing, you will need a measuring cup. The recipe I'm going to be showing you will be by milliliters. The first ingredient we're going to add is vanilla syrup up to 100 milliliters. The second one is our milk up to 250 milliliters. And the final ingredient, heavy whipping cream all the way up to 500 milliliters. To store it, I used an airtight glass mason jar and store it in the refrigerator and grab as you need. This recipe provided me with about 6 to 10 cups of coffee. It just depends how much sweet cream foam you like to add to yours. And I also recommend noting on top of your jar the expiration dates of your milk. For best frothing, I got this really nice nifty tool on Amazon. It is by Zule and it's really nice because it is handheld, it's battery operated, and all you need to do is push the button on the top and it activates the frother. I also purchased this pour over frothing cup. It has measurements on the inside if you want to be more precise. I wouldn't say it's necessary, but when I get into something, I like to buy everything that I need. Alright, let's make our cup of coffee. And I'm not very fancy. I stick with my good old instant coffee. So I'm just going to mix it all in with my hot water. And then with my frothing cup, I'm going to pour my desired amount of my concoction. And you want to give it a light mix. You don't want to overmix it before it starts to foam inside of your mason jar. So I poured a little bit in the cup using my little hand tool. I'm going to stick it inside and turn it on after it is submerged. Don't turn it on before you put it inside or you're going to be cleaning up a lot of cream all over your kitchen. I love this tool. It's so easy to use, clean, and it's super fast. I'd say I had it only going for about no more than 15 seconds, and as you can see, it's already nice and frothy. The longer you do it, of course, the more stiff peaks it will be. So you just gotta play with your measurements and timing to see what fits your liking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cheers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!